ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka BDWS Career Academy kan penlong ya Meghalaya Scholastic Aptitude Test haka khatan riu tarik upanai March haka porship ho bajem step ha Shillong tura bat clear.
Ka BJP Meghalaya State Unit kalapha androtuli ki Kyrteng na Shillong bat sangut natura syaga Central Election Committee jang ke BJP ha Delhi na kebenta banjit yau ni ka Kyrtong bakinsai tam khana baka parti kan yo penyekhun hak election Lok Sabha ka ban Salongshan. Presiden ke BJP Meghalaya State Unit Rickman G. Momen hak jengkran bekla pathai kubor layat ho baka Kyrteng jang hinrungut na Shillong kilong MLA ke parti uba AL Hek uba longru menteri ke Sarkar Jela Presiden berim ke parti uba Ernest Mauri ke Dr. Fenela Lingdo uba Mewakir Lingdo bat ke Kong Sumitra lalu kat banatura ki Kyrteng ki baka parti ke lapha kilong Bernard Marang Boston Marang Thomas Marang KC Boro bat Winneson di Sangma.
We don't know because the third list will be coming soon. We have already sent all the candidates' names to our Central Parliamentary Group. Names I will not say, but 5 from Tura Parliamentary seat and 6 from Shillong, first Shillong constituency.
From Shillong constituency, is the name of Bahek also included?
Yes. To fight the election. We have already started our campaigning, the party works, even the workers' convention. Everywhere we are doing our party activities.